Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about AI-generated explainer videos with Steve AI and ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered what happens when AI meets AI? Well, that's what we are going to explore today. We'll show you how you can create amazing explainer videos in just a few steps with text generating AI and video creation AI. What are AI-generated explainer videos? Explainer videos are short, animated videos that explain a concept, process, or idea. They are often used to promote products, teach skills, or explain complex topics. AI-driven explainer creator tools use an input text from the user, mainly called script, and use that text to generate a first version of a video. Introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a natural language processing (NLP) tool developed by OpenAI. It is a variant of the popular GPT-3 language model, which is a machine learning model trained to generate human-like text. ChatGPT offers a variety of use cases as long as they have anything to do with text. You can let it answer questions, generate code from text, brainstorm ideas together, create marketing texts, business ideas, and much more. Introduction to Steve AI. Steve AI is an artificial intelligence web platform that enables users to quickly and easily create videos, animations, and other visuals. Steve AI offers a huge variety of different content design styles. Steve AI takes your text as input, tries to understand it, and generates video scenes based on the context of your input. You can then adjust the content of those scenes to your needs and let Steve AI render the final video. Writing a video script with ChatGPT. Let's say you want to create a video that explains what you do in your day-to-day business life as an Azure Cloud Solution Architect. You can ask ChatGPT to help you. Just give ChatGPT enough context to write a video script that explains your job as specifically as possible. From this prompt, ChatGPT will respond with a text that already has great content, which is especially useful to not start on a greenfield. Working with Steve AI. Once you have your script ready, you can use Steve AI to create an amazing explainer video. With the Steve AI platform, you can easily customize the look and feel of your content to suit your needs, allowing for a variety of options for creating engaging visuals. You can choose from different design styles that are presented using an example video for each style. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Creating an AI-generated explainer video is easy and fun with Steve AI and ChatGPT. These tools are designed to help you create videos in just a few steps. You can use them to promote products, teach skills, or explain complex topics. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching.